So hello students, we were solving the problems of exercise 4.2. So we'll proceed with that first problem I had solved. We will start with the second question. Question number 2 is we have to solve the questions of example 1. So question is not given directly. So example 1, first question I have taken and I will be solving that. See, John and Jivanti together had 45 marbles. Both of them lost 5 marbles each. And the product of number of marbles they now have is 124. We would like to find how many marbles they had to start with. So, solution. What is given? John and Jivanti together have 45 marbles. Let John has X number of marbles. Therefore, number of marbles with Jivanti is equal to 45 minus X. Very simple. Sum was 45. X marble is there with John. So remaining marble is 45 minus X. This is the number of marbles which Jivanti has. So what is given? Product of, they lost 5 marbles. Therefore, the number of marbles with John when he loses 5 marbles, means whatever marble he had, he has lost 5 marbles. So remaining is X was the marble, number of marbles in the beginning. So after losing 5 marbles, he has X minus 5 marbles. Similarly, the marble which is possessed by Jivanti, when she loses 5 marbles is equal to 45 minus X minus 5, that is equal to 40 minus X. So these are the number of marbles which they had after losing 5 marbles. It is given that the product of the number of marbles they have after losing 5 marbles is 124. Therefore, according to the question, X minus 5 into 40 minus X, that is equal to 124. Means the statement given, I have given the algebraic relation, right? This relation we have got through this statement given. Now we will solve this equation and we will find the value of X. So we will simply look at it and we will multiply. Now what kind of equation we are getting, we will see. So we just multiply. This can be written as X multiplied by 40 minus X, again minus 5, that is 40 minus X, that is 124. Now we will multiply, so it will be 40X minus X square minus 200 plus 5X, that is equal to 124, because this is 124. So further simplification, therefore minus X square, that is 40X plus 5X, that is 45X. If you are taking 124 in this side, then it will become minus 324, that is equal to 0. Right? 124 here, 324. Now since it is negative over here, we will make it positive by transferring all the terms on the right hand side. This can be written as, therefore X square minus 45X plus 324, that is equal to 0. This is the equation we got. Now again the procedure, we will factorize 324 such that product will be plus 324 into X square and sum will be minus 45x. So first number is how much? 324x square. This 324 will be multiplied with this x square. This is the method of solving the quadratic equation. It is quadratic because degree is 2, highest power on the variable x. So 324 x square. Here we will factorize 324 and we will see that sum is minus 45. So 320 here, 324 factors are this. So since the sum is negative and the product is positive, so it means both the factors should be negative, right? Then only sum will be negative in this case, and because product has to be positive. So factors of this we can take this 3 3s are 9, 9 4s are 36, and 36 and 9. If we are taking these two factors, 36x and 9x, and if you are taking both negative, right? If both are taken negative, product will be this much and sum will be minus 45. So we can further work on it. So it is, this can be written as x square minus 36x minus 9x plus 324 is equal to 0. So these two we will take together. Therefore, taking x common, x minus 36 minus 9 common, x minus 36, that is equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 36 common I had taken, that is x minus 9, that is equal to 0. So this relation we got. So either this 0 or this 0. Therefore, x minus 36 is equal to 0 or x minus 9 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 36. This implies x is equal to 9. Therefore, it has got two solutions. Means if one is John is having 36, then Jivanti will be having 9. If John is having 9, then Jivanti will be having 36. Therefore, answer will be the number of marbles with John is equal to 9 or 36, and accordingly the number of marbles with Jivanti is equal to, if it is 9, then it is 36 or 9 accordingly. So this is the answer. Is it clear? Factorization and selecting the factor in such a way that product and sum. So this is the solution. This I have done to find the factor of 324. Now the second part of this question is, a cottage industry produces a certain number of toys in a day. The cost of production of each toy was found to be 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. On a particular day, the total number of production was, cost of production was 750 rupees. Find the number of toys produced on that day. So I will proceed. Similar manner, number of toys produced is equal to x. Suppose x number of toys produced in particular day. Then, therefore, the cost of production of one toy, each toy is equal to 55 minus x rupees, right? It is rupees x. What is the production of each toy is found to 55 minus the number of toys produced in a day. So number of toys produced in a day is x. So 55 minus x is the cost of one toy produced, right? Cost of production is this much. Therefore, total cost of production of x x number of toys is equal to x into 55 minus x rupees. Because x number of toys are produced, for each toy this is the cost of production, so total cost is this much, and total cost is given to be 750 rupees. Therefore x into 55 minus x is equal to 750. Means the statement has been converted in the mathematical form. Now we will solve this and find the value of x. So therefore multiply this, that is 55x minus x square is equal to 750. We will transfer everything on right hand side to make the x square term positive. Therefore x square minus 55x plus 750, that is equal to 0. Again, method of solution of quadratic equation, because highest power on the variable is 2, it is quadratic equation, and method of solving of quadratic equation we will use over here. So these two will be multiplied and 750 will be factorized such that product will be 750 and sum will be minus 55. So it will be 750x square, and two factors of this will be getting. So 750, just we factorize this. So 750 we will. So we have factorized 750. We have got this. So out of these factors we will take only two factors. Out of so many, only two factors we will take, and such that sum will be minus 55. So there you can see it is 25 and it is 30. So it is 30x, it is 25x. Product will be positive, but sum is required to be negative. So we will take minus 30 over here and minus 25 over here. In that case, product will be positive. So further simplification we will do, right? Therefore, x square minus 30x minus 25x plus 750, that is equal to 0. Therefore, taking x common from here, we will get x minus 30 minus 25 common here, x minus 30, that is equal to 0. From these two, we will get x minus 30 common, we will look at x minus 25 over here, right? That is equal to 0. Further simplification we will do. So this, either this is equal to 0 or this is equal to 0. So you get x minus 30 is equal to 0 or x minus 25 is equal to 0. This implies x is equal to 30. This implies x is equal to 25. So two possibilities are there. One, the production will be either 30 or it may be 25. Okay, therefore the answer is x is equal to 25 or x is equal to 30. This is the answer. And what is x? X is the number of toys produced. And the question number 3 is, find two numbers whose sum is 27 and product is 182. So solution, let one number is equal to x, then what will be the other number? Sum is 27, therefore the other number is equal to 27 minus x. One number is x, another will be 27 minus x because sum is 27. Given that the product is 182, therefore x into 27 minus x is equal to 182. From the statement given, we have transformed the statement into the mathematical form. This is algebraic equation we got. Let us see what kind of equation is this. So therefore, if you multiply, we will get 27x minus x square is equal to 182. Transfer this on the right hand side to make the x square quantity positive because it is negative. So make it positive. With the negative also it can be done, but instead of taking negative, we will make it positive. And from the negative itself we can do that also, we will look at. So that is x square minus 27x plus 182, that is equal to 0. We will multiply this, that is 182x square, these two are multiplied. Then factorization, factors of 182 such that product is this much, sum is minus 27. So factors of 182 we will see, 182, right? What is required? 27, right? So if these two are taken together and this separately, the 14 into 13 may be the factors. So we can write factors are 14x and 13x. So it is negative, so both should be negative, then only product will be positive, this one. So we will get two factors, minus 14x, so x square minus 14x minus 13x plus 182, that is equal to 0. Now we will remove this. Taking x common from these two, so taking x common, x minus 14 minus taking 13 common, that is x minus 14, that is equal to 0. Because if you are taking 13 common, this 182 is how much? That is 14 into 13. We will take 113 out, so 14 will be left. Therefore, x minus 14 common we will take out of it, then x minus 13 will be left. Therefore, x minus 14 is equal to 0 or x minus 13 is equal to 0. If x minus 14 is 0, then x is equal to 14, and this implies x is equal to 13. So there are two numbers, one is 13, another is 14. You see, therefore the numbers are, first is 14, and second number will be 27 minus 14, that is equal to 13. So two numbers are there, 13 and 14. This is the answer. Therefore, answer 13 and 14. This is the answer. So from the statement we converted it to equation and we solved it because it is a quadratic equation we got, right? So this is the answer and this is the solution. I hope it is clear to all of you. Then we will